Hi, this deck of cards deals more with the social aspects of behavior, specifically population growth and immigration. So the topics covered are going to be coming mostly from epidemiology. Okay. What is the formula for population growth rate? So what is this formula? Growth rate equals population change over the initial population times 100%. So here are a few things to know. Population growth rate is expressed as a percentage. Then population change would basically include births, deaths, emigration, and immigration. Okay? I think I just hinted to this card. Births and immigrations add to the population. Deaths and blank grations subtract from the population. So what other phenomenon subtracts from the population? And there should be a period right here, so just pretend that there's one. That would be emigration. All right, so if you look really closely at this graffiti art, emigration is when someone leaves their native land and goes to another place. This is supposed to be like Australia. It's a really janky depiction, but just imagine. What is the formula for the current population of a given region? Okay. Give you a moment to think while I correct that word. Of a given region. That the current population is going to be the initial population plus births minus deaths plus immigrations and minus emigrations. Okay, so just take that in for a moment. A positive net migration means there were more emigrations or immigrations than emigrations or immigrations. So here we're dealing with a positive net migration. A negative net migration means that there were more emigrations or immigrations than emigrations or immigrations. So I'll just give you a moment to think and to make the proper guesses and selections. That would be immigrations and emigrations for the first set. So more immigrations versus emigrations is going to give you a positive net migration, whereas more emigrations versus immigrations is going to give you a negative net migration. So here, if you look very, very closely, you're probably going to have to enlarge your screen. And if you do have immigrations, people going into a country, that's, that's exactly what it is, people going in. And emigration is people going out or leaving the land, just for more perspective and clarity so you can orient yourself as far as the different migration patterns. What is the formula for net migration? And net migration is expressed per 1,000 people. All right, I'll give you a moment to think, and with all the migration patterns we just discussed, I think you can guess it. That would be immigrants minus emigrants over the initial population times 1,000 to get that per 1,000 basis. Okay. U blank N occurs when people move from rural areas to urban areas, increasing the population of cities. So what is this migration phenomenon? That would be urbanization. If you pair really closely at the graffiti art, there's the rural area with some trees, farms, and then the people are going, here you see a cluster of people going to like a urban region.